Stray dogs are becoming a major issue in Avali Nagar, Hubli and Dharwar. Recently, over 80 people in Hubli were attacked by a dog. On October 28, while people were walking on Gokul Road in the afternoon, a Rabid dog reportedly attacked and injured more than 30 individuals who were quickly rushed to the hospital. Out of them, 16 were admitted to the KMC hospital, while others are receiving treatment at various private hospitals. The scene at the hospital was chaotic, with blood-soaked individuals arriving for treatment, including daily wage workers and children. One victim, Gangadhara, shared how he was bitten while parking his vehicle and mentioned that the dog had already attacked others playing volleyball. He pointed out that the dog looked like a pet that had been abandoned by his owners after becoming rubbered. He urged the pet owners not to abandon their animals and called on the city corporation to take action, stressing the need for pet licenses and accountability. Another victim, Ravi Kumar, expressed his frustration over the authorities' negligence, stating that the community is scared after a dog bit more than 80 people between Gokula Road and Airport Road. Residents are increasingly frustrated with the Hubli Dharwar Municipal Corporation for not doing enough to tackle this stray dog problem.
ಅದು ನಾಯಿ ಭಾಳ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಆದರೆ ಭಾಳ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ಕಡಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಅದು. ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ, ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರಿಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದವ್ರಿಗೆ, ವಯಸ್ಸಾದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಡಿದಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಅದು. ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು 80 ಮಂದಿ ಕಡಿದಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಅದು. ಒಬ್ಬರೊಬ್ರು ಕಡಿತಾ ಹೋದೆ ಸರ್. ಗೋಕುಲ್ ರೋಡ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ರೋಡ್ ಮಟನೂ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಅದು. ನಾನು ಯಾರು ಹಿಡಿತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬರು. ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ಭಾಳ ಮಂದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಭಯ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಮತ್ತು ಏನಾರ ವೈರಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸರ್ ಅದು. ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Yesterday, rabid dog bite incident was reported around 6:30, and the dog was caught within 10 to 15 minutes immediately, and the dog has been kept for observation, and further negri bodies and all will be sent and to confirm whether it is a rabid dog. And the matter has been escalated to health department also, and the district surveillance officer and the district health officer also have taken the matter and observation, and all the dog bite victims have been called upon, and we have been checking whether they are taking proper treatment and immunoglobulins. And till now we have seen that almost all the patients have got immunoglobulins, and we are looking forward to it.